Hey everyone, it's flu season and I bought another couple of air purifiers. So the Holmes brand is the only one on clearance at Target that I know of. This is air purifier. This is the big brother and this is the little one. This is for the room and this is the one you put in your desktop or table. And this is a true HEPA plus air 1 filtration, and it's supposed to remove up to 99.99% of all allergens and pollutants. And original price for this one was $150. So I got it for this one for 74.98 cents, and this is for $79.99. I got it for 34.98 cents. And look like it's been taped up, this one. So if it's an open, if it was a return, then I'm gonna return. I'm not gonna use a return one. This one looks new, so I'll open it up and maybe first let me read what it's supposed to remove. It's supposed to remove dust. It's supposed to remove dust, pet, dander, smoke, mold spores, ragweed pollen, grass pollen, dust mite, debris, and tree pollen. And for this one, same, 8.8. And this one, the small one is 55 smoke CADR, and this one is 105 smoke CDER. So it looks like this one has more features too. Anyway, I'll open it up and see what's inside. Open the big one as everything's still taped. I just opened this one and look, there's no bags, nothing. So I'm not gonna bother opening it up because it's been used. I don't like to stuff has already been opened. It's been used already. Alright, open the big one. There's air quality stickers here. Take the tape out. Okay, I took all the tape out. There's the manual and the carbon filter over here. Two of them. Let's see. So there's two HEPA filters here. Air 1 type. Put that there. Amateur. The carbon filters in there. This one on top. Now you got one in the top and one in the bottom. And put it back. Let me show you the buttons on this one. Press power, mode, low, medium, high, and AQS, which stands for air quality sensor mode. So if it's red, it's gonna run the fan really fast. Yellow, it's just gonna average to like medium speed. Good, will just run the fan low automatically. Then here is a light indicator for the filter. If it needs to be changed, it'll light up. Here's the ionizer and here's the timer. So turn the fan on, change it to medium, change it to high, and now it's red, which means it's supposed to be bad. If it's red, it's going to turn red. So it should automatically adjust the screen to yellow or whatever color it's going to adjust it. And here is the ionizer. See, this one is to turn on because the filter is new. If you want to put a timer, you could put 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. Right now this is on full blast at high. So I'll put it, this is 3 feet away. And that's how loud it is. So I'm gonna test the smaller one. It's a return look like because there's no packaging, and I checked the filters or you have dust in it. So I'm gonna return this one, but I'm still gonna test it for you guys for sound. And see, you already put the Velcro in the back of it. It's gonna suck. Good price, but no, don't wanna have a used one. I'm gonna put this back cover on. I'm gonna test this one for noise. Test the small one. The buttons on this one, it has a filter indicator, ionizer, and only power off, high, medium, low. Only, so not too many functions. Like this in. Hopefully I don't breathe any bad air from whoever used this before. So high. Ionizer works. Filter seems to be clean. I'm going to put it the same distance as the other one. 3 feet away. Medium. Noisy. I think it's noisier than this one. Turn it off. This is the low for the tall one right now. You're hearing. Now I'm gonna turn up the tall one. Okay, it's off. Now turn on this one on low. It's much noisier than the tall one. Interesting. Took about a minute and now it's on green already. So it skipped yellow. Yeah, it's green. Alright, I've been using this for the last 4 days, and so far it's working really good. And this morning I went to Target, and I saw that the price even went down some more. I paid $74.99 it was, or $98 for this one. Now I got another one right here for $44.90 and $44.48. This one was, I paid for this one for $79. Regular price of this one was $150. So I bought this but 50% off. Now I got this for 70% off. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep both or return one of them. The $74 one, get $30 back, or keep both. So I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna ask my wife if we want to keep both or not. If I get another one for $44, then I'm definitely gonna return the $74. But this was the last one in there in the Target that I went to. It was for $44. If I found another one, then I'm definitely gonna return this one. All right, that's it. This is the Holmes air purifier. Model number, I believe, I can't see the phone number right now in this moment. What's the model number at? It's the HAP1702-TU. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Look at that. It stopped now. It slowed down once it senses that the air is clean. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.